What's up, Jooba people? You can grab the full PDF for this lesson in the links in the description. It's got all the little riffs that he does in the song, as well as the picking pattern and the chord shapes, tuning, and so on and so forth. Let me go on to the demo. When the night and the land is dark, the only light we'll see. No, I won't shed a tear. No, I won't be afraid. Just slow. Alright, that was not the best demo, but it's good enough. Alright, so the song is played in open D tuning, tuned down another whole step, so you call it open C tuning, but open C usually refers to another tuning. So I'm kind of thinking this as the key of D, because it uses the open D relationship between the notes. So that is why I've got the chords in open D, even though this is a C chord. I'm thinking of it as D because it uses the same shapes as open D. Okay, so. So we've got these shapes here, and these are the shapes that you have to get under your belt. The first two shapes are the most intense. This is where you go to the 9th fret, and you do this little shape here. And then you have the walk down going to the B minor at 11. And then you have a G. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have another B minor that we do on the 2nd fret. We have this G chord here, which you can do with one finger as well, like this. And then we have A, and then B minor here. For strumming, we have this feel of that's the main feel. For chord progressions, nothing fancy. You already probably know the chord progression: D, B minor, G, A, B minor, back to D. So that's the main chord progression. But let's go over the main part of the song, which is, let's start with the intro. Okay, so the intro has this little riff on the 12th fret. You should play the open D string. That's a little intro first riff. These are thirds, very nice. Alright, And then we've got this B minor part, which is very beautiful. I'm going to zoom in actually a little bit more here so you guys can see the whole tab. And then we go, if you're using a pick, you can go down, up, down. And then we go to the Guitar Pro thing that I wrote out just to get the accents right, because this is quite an intense part. So we go, sorry. Let me do that again. So, so I'm playing with my index finger, and I'm palm muting the fourth string, just kind of hitting this. Yeah, I mean, if you don't know how to palm mute, then you shouldn't be playing the song. But you want to leave the sixth string more open. So the palm muting is like kind of skew, so that you don't palm mute the bass strings. But basically that's kind of the riff. So bass, and this is the second line, how you do the walk down. You get the idea. And then bass on the D minor. And I mean, he does something funny, like the second time he kind of switches the bass strings. When he goes to the B minor, he goes. You know, kind of that. So, doom, doom, doom. But that's not really that important. I think he kind of just improvised that. All right, tag 2, when we get in the middle of the song, we're going to get to tag 2, where he plays the intro riff just with more rhythm. So he goes. And then he goes again, so. That's kind of the rhythm behind what he's doing. And then the whole riff. And that's it. All right, guys, have a nice day. See you in another video. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.